Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send data from activity to a fragment by using the fragment arguments. I have already created a new project and I have already created a new fragment. So this is my fragment layout and this is a text view. So we will send a string from main activity and we will receive that string in this fragment and we'll display that string in this text view. Okay, so this is my fragment Java class and this is my main activity. I have a button here on which we will click and we will open a fragment below here. Below I have a frame layout for my fragment, so I will add my fragment here on the button click. Okay, so if you don't know how to create a fragment, so you can watch my previous video by implementing fragments in Android. So let's move ahead. So I have to initialize my button here. I will add a click listener on this button. Set on click listener, and I will call a method here open fragment. Okay, now I will create this method outside of main on create private void open fragment, and I will create an object on my fragment. I will name it my fragment new my fragment. Okay, now I will create a fragment transaction. Yes, transaction is equal to get support fragment manager dot begin transaction. Before adding or committing our fragment here, we have to add our data as an argument to our fragment. So to add data, we will create a bundle. I will name it data new bundle. So basically we are using bundle class here. Okay, I will put a string in this bundle, data dot put string. So we have to add a key here, so I will add a key like my data, and here I will simply pass hello from main activity. Okay, so now that we will know that we are passing this data from main activity. Okay, and below this I have to set this bundle as an argument to my fragment. So my fragment dot set arguments, and I will add this bundle data, and below this I will call the fragment transaction dot replace. So I will pass that frame layout here. As you know, we need a container for our fragment to add our fragment to that container. So I will pass my fragment here this as second argument, and I will call commit. Okay, so this is done. Now we will go to our fragment, and here I will create a private string variable, and I will call it my string my str. Okay, and to initialize our text view here, we need to create a view variable. We will call it view, and I will cut this in Flutter from here, and I will add it here, and here we will return our view. Okay, so now we can use this view to initialize our text view. So I will let me create it here, private text view. I will name it text TV my text. Okay, and to initialize a text view here, so we need to enter view dot find view by id r dot id, my text. Okay, so this is our text view id, and now we have to create a bundle, and I will call it data, and we will pass get arguments, and I will check if data is not equal to null, then we can move ahead. If the data is not null, so I will call my string is equal to data dot get string. Get string, we are passing get string. Okay, so I need that id here, so be careful with these ids. If you enter wrong id here, then you will not get in the arguments, right? Okay, so I will copy this, and outside this if statement I will set this this string to my text view, and I will set this as my string. Okay, so now we will run our app to check if it's working or not. Okay, so here is our main activity, and I will click this button, and as you can see, this is our fragment, and we are adding this fragment on the frame layout, and we have a text here, hello from main activity, and basically we are passing this text as an argument to this fragment. So that's how you can pass data from activity to a fragment. So that's it guys for this video, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.